Feeling unmotivated? The problem isn't you. It's that you've accidentally taught your brain's chemical system to crash. Welcome to Cognitive Flow Lab, where we explore the science behind optimizing your mind. We often think motivation is a feeling we have to wait for, but neuroscience shows us it is a resource we are actively depleting. This is your dopamine baseline. It determines your general mood and willingness to work. When you scroll social media or eat sugar, you bombard this baseline with cheap dopamine. It creates a spike. But what goes up must come down. To restore balance, your brain drops your baseline below normal. Instead, use dopamine stacking. This means performing the high-friction task first to earn the release. It will feel uncomfortable. That tension you feel is literally your neural pathways stretching to accommodate a new habit. For instance, instead of checking social media first, tackle that challenging report. The feeling of accomplishment will propel you through the rest of your day. Motivation isn't a mood you wait for. It's a system you build. By strategically managing your dopamine, you regain control over your focus and drive. By doing the hard thing first, you don't just get the reward, you actually raise your baseline capacity for effort. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cognitive Flow Lab for more insights. If you want to dive deeper into the science of pain and pleasure, I highly recommend reading Dopamine Nation by Dr. Anna Lembke. Now that you're motivated, you need to make sure you actually remember what you learn. Click here to fix your forgetting curve. Thanks for watching.